A lot of hiccups.
You got the hiccups, baby.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
Guess what I'm seeing tomorrow? Of course, she's guessing all these, because she doesn't want to hear about it. Teasingly, but.
Look at these hiccups. Yeah. Yeah. Oh goodness. Should I set them up a little bit?
You got them. I'm going to make the pillow up a bit.
Oh yes.
We can always call her.